Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a melting crewmate from Among Us, okay? It's going to be really simple, very easy, and for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. So that's pretty much it, okay? Like I said, a real simple step-by-step, all right? The whole thing's about 8 minutes, so stay to the very end of the video. It's a really short video, and let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line here for the top of the visor. Before I do anything, by the way, I forgot to say, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Hug that subscribe button and hug that bell notification. When you do that, it's going to let you know when I post. I post about 3 times a day on the weekdays, and I post everything into playlists. Thank you so much, and let's keep going. But like I said, it helps the algorithm. It just does a lot. You know, you can learn to draw more things. There's a whole lot of benefits and almost no downside. Curve right here. So we're gonna start we're gonna start the meltiness now. Curve down. Right here. Curve down here. Curve down here. Down here. Over here. See, we're just kind of throwing these, it's just a bunch of U shapes. That's all it is, like a bunch of these U shapes stuck to whatever. It is almost entirely U shapes. It's just like a drippiness to it. Do it here in the front. Right there. Gonna go up here to the top of the forehead. Remember, gravity's pulling downward though, so a lot of the top isn't going to be like that. It's going to be things like around the sides. Down over here. Down over here. Over here along the side. Over here along the side. Down over here at the bottom. Curve down. Up. Line over here, the bottom, down, over here, bottom, up over here, up over here. Got that drippiness all over the place. Out, down, over here, down over here. And as far as where I'm putting them, by the way, it's just kind of random. I picked 2 spots right here to throw that drippiness, but you could have done one. Oh, I'm going to throw one here as well. You could have done it up here. You could have done it along the side. You could really do it anywhere. Again, it's all these U shapes. That's what I think of it like. They are U shapes. But you're pulling it out at random locations. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thickness around the outside. The complete outside is going to be a thickness. Around here. I'm going to stickerify basically this drawing, right? Everything has a thick line around it. Just the outside, by the way, like the outside contour, and that kind of does a whole lot for, you know, the look of the drawing. Going over here now, I'm going to go in with color, and there's a lot of different colors you can go in with. I'm gonna go in with orange for the outside. I think that the orange might be pretty cool. Right here, just kind of making it look like a candle wick. You can put any color you want. I'm using Copic markers. I almost exclusively use Copic and Prismacolor for the markers. The reason I do that is I think it just kind of looks better and it doesn't smear. See how I went over the black right there? If I had done that with a regular Crayola, it would have smeared all over the place. And I've done that before. I've tried it out. You might even have seen it in past videos, by the way. So one thing I want to talk about while I'm filling this in is positivity. When you're drawing or anything of that sort, stay positive. Keep in a positive mindset. Even if you mess up, you're like, okay, mess ups are just part of the process, right? When you mess up, you are, you know, you learn not to mess up later on. It's just part of the cycle. So what you need to do is really focus on just kind of, you know, staying calm and being like, okay, well, I messed up, I'll try again later, or I can try to, you know, pull this one around. So kind of keep that in mind. I'm going to use a Prismacolor, so I am kind of mixing them at this point. Let me see, is this like a purple or a, there we go. I'm going to use a Prismacolor here for most of the bottom parts of this, so there's still going to be kind of like a shine going on in this, you know, I don't know what you call it, viewport or anything like that, but I am going to kind of keep it right here, like only in half. But yeah, I was going to say, keeping positive, right? You're doing certain things. If you think something's not good enough, hey, you know what? It's fine. That's where you're at. You know, you just try harder next time. Go over here to the bottom part of this, right there. See that bottom? And then line around the corner here. Maybe right there. But yeah, kind of keep in that positive mindset. And like I said, it's gonna pay off. Everybody who has a positive mindset gets better, I've noticed, at drawing faster. And I'm not saying be positive just to get better. I'm saying be positive because this is a fun process. I'm gonna throw like a shadow here. This is a fun process. You know, it's fun to do this, right? Remember what it was like, and you're like, oh yeah, remember to find the fun in it. And when you find the fun in it, that's when you really start improving. Ironically, when you stop caring about like the outcome as much. You know, you gotta care a bit, of course, but when you stop caring about the outcome as much as the process, just being like, oh yeah, this process is fun, right? Like this marker, I'm using a purposefully dead marker because I like that texture it gives me for just like a shadow. I think that's kind of a cool texture, and that's on purpose, right? Just like that's a fun little technique thing. And the more fun you have, like I said, the better it is. So I want to thank you very much for joining me. Please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe. I'm sorry, I already said that. Hit the like button. But what you can really do is to hit the share. When you share the video, it really comes back to the channel in a good way. When you share it anywhere, you can share it with a friend, or you can press the automatic share button, and that button is going to share it to everybody. So absolutely do that if you can. It will really help the channel out. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing, and I will talk to you in the next video. All right, and that is all. Okay, say hi to me in the comment section. I will say hi back. I will, even if it takes me like half a year. I will say hi back. Test me. Go around, say hi to every video or something. Talk to you later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.